use that pen tool design to generate the shapes here. Made an angle. I will try to choose the different designs. Explore a shape. Use a paint for it. Make the different structure here. So let's find another designs here we have to use it, and razor tool we will apply over the circle to have some designs here. Find a new shape. So there we are.